Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to verify your Discord account on mobile. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So I'm inside of Discord right here on my phone. Here, all you pretty much need to do is, there are two ways to do this, but the very first way is, the moment you create your account, you'll immediately get an email to verify your Discord account. But if you've created your account ages ago and you still need to verify it, and you cannot find that email anymore, or the email doesn't work anymore, what you can do is simply go to your settings. So click on You in the bottom right corner, and at the top corner, we need to click on the settings icon. Once you are here inside of these settings, simply click on Account. Here at the top it says, please check your email to verify your account and keep your current username. Now, like I said, if you cannot find that email anymore, or for whatever reason, what you simply can do is click on the Verify button right here. At the top, it says Verify your email. Please check your email and follow the instructions to verify your account. If you did not receive an email, or if it expired, you can resend one. So that's what we're going to do. We can click on Resend Email. Over here it says Verification Code Sent. Once you have received the email, this is what it will look like. Simply click on the big Verify Email button right over here. Click on a browser. It says Email Verified. Continue to Discord. So I'm going to open up the Discord app, and it is immediately gone. As you can see, the Verify thing is gone. So that's basically how you can verify your Discord account on mobile. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.